So what I did was I put a piece of tape up, masking tape, so I had a level line to go off of. So then I'm going to take my frame, I'm going to line it up with the mark I put on the tape where I want to start out. Both holes on the top lined up. I'm going to mark on the tape where I want the holes to be. And I'm going to mark on the bottom where the other two holes go. Like that. And then I'm going to drill the holes. We're going to use these multi-purpose anchors. They're good for drywall too. First, I'm going to drill a hole where I put my marks. Basically, insert into the hole. I need to get the hammer. Then, we're hopefully going to be able to exit. Basically how it goes. Then you just snap them all shut like that.